and whether you bake as a business or a hobby, I am here to help just because. Today I'm showing you how to make a super easy 3-ingredient whipped cream cheese frosting. Now if you're anything like me, I used to hate cream cheese frosting. I wouldn't even touch red velvet cake because I hated it that much. But this frosting is super easy to make, and because it adds whipped cream, it lightens it and makes it super delicious.
So all you will need for this 3-ingredient frosting is cream cheese, powdered sugar, and heavy whipping cream. First step is to pour your whipping cream into your stand mixer fitted with the whisk attachment. Beat until stiff peaks form. Place the whipped cream into a clean bowl using a spatula. Set this aside. Next, use your paddle attachment and whip the cream cheese for about a minute. Then you can add in your powdered sugar and whip this until fully combined. Halfway through, use your spatula to scrape down the sides. The last step is to gently fold in your whipped cream. This will help lighten the cream cheese and make it extra delicious.
So there you have it, my super easy 3-ingredient whipped cream cheese frosting. Click below to get the full recipe and instructions, and let me know if you try this out. If you'd like to get even more recipe and buttercream tutorials, click below to get my favorite foolproof Swiss meringue buttercream guide. Did you like this video? Make sure to click like, hit subscribe, and if you want weekly baking inspiration from me, make sure to sign up for my email list.